हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम फार्मास्यूटिकल इंजीनियरिंग के फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जाम के क्वेश्चन बैंक देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन बैंक ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है एमसीक्यूज 10 मार्क्स के लिए, जिसके अंदर एमसीक्यूज नंबर 1 है हाउ मेनी लिक्विड्स आर यूज्ड इन डिफरेंशियल मैनोमीटर। 2. Reynolds number depend on one of the following factors. 3. Reynolds formula is 4. Which one of the following uses a thin plate for the measurement of flow of fluids? 5. Reynolds number may be defined as the ratio of one of the following factors. 6. Reynolds number is a ratio of the 7. Which one of the following is not covered under the definition of fluids? 8. Which one of the following is also called slant manometer? 9. Which one of the following is also known as variable head meter? 10. Bernoulli's theorem deal with law of conservation of 11. Pitot tube is used for measurement of 12. Which one of the following is not type of flow meter? 13. If Reynolds number RE less than 2000 indicate flow is 14. Differential manometer is used to measure 15. Size reduction cannot be obtained by one of the following methods. 16. Size reduction of potent material is necessary for one of the following quality control parameters in formulation of dosage form. 17. The sterile product cannot be obtained by one of the following mills. 18. Which principle operates in the hammer mill? 19. Which of the following mill work on the principle of combined impact and attrition? 20. Which one of the following is not a size reduction process? 21. Size reduction is also known as 22. Which of the following are objectives of size reduction? (23) The process in which the material is crushed between the rollers by application of pressure is called. 24. Which of the following factors affect size reduction? (25) Which is the disadvantage of the sieve shaker method? (26) In cyclone separator, the separation depends on. (27) Size classification is also known in one of the following terms. (28) Brushing method enhances the movement of. (29) Which are the following forces used in cyclone separator for size separation of particles? (30) Flow of heat is not applicable generally in one of the following unit operations. 31. Heat transfer takes place according to. (32) Which of the following is correct according to Stefan Boltzmann law? (33) To which type of heat flow Fourier's law is applicable? (34) Fourier law of heat conduction is based on the assumption that. (35) Stefan Boltzmann law, energy radiated is directly proportional to. 36. Unit of thermal conductivity in SI unit is. (37) Fourier law is applicable to one of the following types of heat flow. 38. Which one of the following has high thermal conductivity? 39. According to Fourier's law, conduction of heat through a metal wall is. 40. Which heat interchanger consists of bent tubes? 41. Which is the factors that does not influence the rate of evaporation? 42. Which type of evaporator is suitable for thermolabile substances and highly viscous preparation? 43. Evaporation takes place at. 44. which one of the following conditions is correct for evaporation? The last question, 45. Which evaporator is used to concentrate insulin, liver extract and vitamins? Question number 2 and 3, short and long question for 20 marks. इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रहेगा आपका, राइट नोट ऑन साइक्लोन सेपरेटर, 2 राइट नोट ऑन पिटोट ट्यूब, 3 एक्सप्लेन बर्नौलीज थ्योरम, 4 एक्सप्लेन इन ब्रीफ फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन, 5 एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल अबाउट हैमर मिल। 6 रहेगा, व्हाट इज मोड ऑफ हीट ट्रांसफर, राइट नोट ऑन रेडिएशन हीट ट्रांसफर। 7 write down the Fourier's law and give its deviation. 8 give principle, construction and working of fluid energy mill. 9 explain in detail Reynolds experiment. 10 discuss factors affecting size reduction. Explain in detail fluid energy mill. ये क्वेश्चन आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3 में रहेंगे। All the best for your exam. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy and stay blessed.